Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and today I'll show you guys how to upload your music to Boomplay and any other music service. I've done the first video on how to upload your music to Boomplay, which the video went viral and it did pretty well. So I'm doing this part 2 of the video. So I'm going to take it step by step. Make sure to follow, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please subscribe. Okay guys, now for you to upload your music to Boomplay, as I said before, you must use one digital distributor, which is what? TuneCore. As I mentioned, TuneCore is a digital distributor that can distribute your music to any place in the world, to any digital store in the world. It will get your music there, and once your music is there and people started paying to stream your songs, then you get paid. As you can see at the top left corner, I've been paid some kind of amount of money for my songs. So that's it. So for you to upload your music to Boomplay, you need TuneCore. TuneCore will automatically upload your music to Boomplay, and it doesn't take more up to like an hour. Just like 30 minutes, your music will be available to Boomplay, unlike any other store. So once you open TuneCore, once you log in, click on the top right corner. You can either use your PC or your mobile phone to do this. So once you click on the top right corner, you click on music, then you will see discography, store manager, add a new album, add a new single. So now if your music is an album, like you want to release an album, you will click on add new album. If it's a single, then you click on add new single. That's a single song. Then it will load up. Then in this type of place, you will fill in the form that is right here. Now the one with the asterisk mark are the one that are very important, so you must not leave those one to be empty. So for this video sake, let me type the song title. Let me say Peaches. Does this song have explicit lyrics? If your song have explicit lyrics, you can tap yes or no. Say no. Okay. Peaches by, you type your name, your artist name. Let me say my artist name. If you have a Spotify ID, you can add it right there, but it's not necessary for you to add it. On what language is your music? Is it English or any other language? You select the language. What is the primary genre of your music? Is it country, Afro pop, Afro music, electronic music, country, anyone? You select one. If the secondary genre is not that too necessary, so you leave that blank. Now the release date, you select the release date. The selection of the release date, like the date you want TuneCore to actually publish your music. So you select your release date, then the release time for Spotify. This one, you select the release time for Spotify, the time you want your music to be available on Spotify. So you select the time. Can this release be sold worldwide? You select yes. Previously, have you released before? If yes, you tap yes. The label name, UPC, EAN code, ISRC, recording location, all of them are all optional, so you can skip those one. Then you tap on create my single. It will load up. Then say okay, Peaches by Copygate. Yeah, these are your ISRC, UPC they have given you. Now this is where the magic is, and this is where the work done actually is. So this is under the store. So you have to carefully select the stores that you want your music to appear. Then you see there. Right here we have iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Pandora, Deezer, iHeartRadio, Napster, Tencent, TikTok, Thriller, Boom, NetEase, Ghana, Jux, Team, Z, and so on. Now this is the Boomplay music right here that you want to upload your music to. This is it right here. So you have to click on it. You have to click on Boomplay music. If you want your music to appear in Shazam, you click on Shazam. If you want it to appear on TikTok music, select TikTok. YouTube Music, you select YouTube Music. If it's an Apple Music, you select Apple Music or iTunes. So you have to make sure all the stores are selected. Then you click save. Then click save. Alright. Then under the songwriter required, that is your name, because if it's someone that wrote for you the song, you can write the person name. Yes, list all artists that appears on this song. You list the artists that appear in the song. Whether you feature someone in the song, you have to list it out, the person names out as the featuring artist. If this song is an instrumental, you can select instrumental. Then click save. Let me see. Okay. Then click on save. Right now, for the artwork part, for your cover art, you need the cover art of 1600 by 1600. That is the cover art aspect ratio that TuneCore accepts. TuneCore doesn't accept anything more than that. Only 1600 by 1600 pixels. You understand? It must be 1600 by 1600 pixels. That is what TuneCore will accept. And some of the criteria of your cover art: 1, it must not contain your social media handles. 2, it must not contain any name of the producer, the DJ, or your name. It should just contain only the name of your music. So once that is done and you confirm it, you wouldn't have any problem when you are uploading it, because it will automatically upload for you. But if they reject your music, they will send you a mail and they will state why they rejected your music from uploading. So they'll ensure you to correct it before you send the request that in the mail that you want it to continue, and they will surely reply you in a couple of hours and will process your request. They are very fast. They will do it for you, and you will get your music uploaded to Boomplay and any other store. So once your music is uploaded to Boomplay, then you can move on to the next thing, which is verification, like to get your verified badge in Boomplay. I will leave a video link in the description below on how to get verified on Boomplay once your music is available on Boomplay. Okay, now this is the price that you are going to pay. If it's in naira, you are paying naira. That is 3,000. This is almost like 4,000 naira. So if it's in dollars, you are paying. This is how much you are going to pay. So that for this video. The other steps are to upload your cover art, and I listed some criteria. You upload your cover artwork, then you upload your music. There's a tab for music upload. You upload your music, and your music must either be in MP3 format or WAV format. Any other format is not acceptable, so it must be that way. If your music is in any other format, then you can go online and search for convert music to MP3 or convert music to WAV. There are some online converter that's going to convert your music for you to MP3. So thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.